how to use LinkedIn to find a job step by step. Hey guys, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find a job on LinkedIn. So let's get into it. First of all, you're going to go to linkedin.com and you will land right here. LinkedIn is a employment focused social media that allows you to create your account and find jobs. You can also employ people using LinkedIn. Today, we'll focus on how to get a job or how to find a job using LinkedIn. So let's get into the process. First of all, if you do not have an account, you're going to go ahead and sign up using your email or phone number or password. You can also use your Google account to sign in to LinkedIn. After the initial sign up, you will get your own account. This is just like any other social media, for instance, Facebook or Instagram. So here you will actually have your own account or your profile. So the first step on LinkedIn is building your profile. This is the most important thing and this is what people see. So if you already have an account on LinkedIn but you haven't worked on the profile, then that's the problem. First of all, you need a profile picture that is impressive. Then you need to add your name. Make sure to add your full name. You can also add your pronouns now, and then you have to enter what you do. In my case, I have added that I am a marketing agent. So in our profile, we can also add our education and our jobs. So make sure to fill it in. You can see I have added my experience, education, and then we have different interests that we can add. So build your profile, create a profile just like you do on Facebook. You can add different sections to your profile. Click on add profile section and you will be able to do so. We can add our position, our skills, and our additional information as well. Adding a skill is really important because that will set your profile and your suggestions. For instance, my skill is marketing. So I'm going to go ahead and add it. And then we can add if I want to add an experience to the skill and education as well. So I'm going to click on save. This way my information will be saved and my LinkedIn profile will be updated. And now I can find different jobs. Why working on profile is really important? Because people will actually check my profile before even asking for my resume. Then the next important thing is creating networks on LinkedIn. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to the My Network and add different people in your field. This is how you get a job. You need to find people that are working here on LinkedIn and they post their jobs here. So people here will post the job and you will contact them. We can also contact them personally because if we have their network here. So adding connection is really important. How you can do that? You can just click on add and then a request will be sent to them and then they will add you back. We can also add and follow different people. So you can follow different companies that you are looking for and that is your interest. Once you're done with all of this, you're going to go to the jobs section right here. Now here we have jobs. At this side of the screen, we have My Jobs, we have Job Alerts, we have Interview Prep, Resume Builder. These are some of the tools provided by LinkedIn. Then we also have Post a Free Job. This is for the clients who want to employ people. But we want to actually get a job and find a job. So we can actually click right here and search by title, skill, or company. So my skill is actually project manager. And then I can select the city. So here you're going to select the country or the city you want to work in. For instance, California, United States. Then I can also customize my search with the date posted. Then we have experience level, company. If there is any company you are looking for, you'll select here. Then we have a job type. This is really important. If you want to work full-time, part-time, contract, temporary, volunteer, internship, and others. So I actually want to work part-time. And then we also have on-site or a remote job. So I'm going to click right here and I'm looking for a remote job. And we can also go for on-site or hybrid. We also have the easy apply option. Now, easy apply means that we will be able to apply from LinkedIn. Otherwise, we sometimes have to go to the official website of the company and then send our resume. With my search, I got all of these different jobs. So you can see these are the job results that I got on LinkedIn. Now, what I need to do is just search through these jobs and find the best one for me. You can click on the job and it gives you all of the information. You can scroll down a little bit to check their requirements, essential functions. Then we have skills they are looking for and other things. I can scroll down and we have this one right here. Let's check this one out. So this is going to be this. We have employees here. Okay. And then we have about us. We have requirements. We have about the role, responsibilities, and apply now option. So you can see now in order to apply, I'm going to click on apply. So here, this is the job, and you can see in job description, I can see they are paying $40 to $60 per hour, which is pretty impressive. And if I like the job, now I can click on apply for the job and I'll be able to do so. Finding the right job is the most difficult part than actually getting it, because you have to find the perfect match. And how you can do that, make sure to update your profile. You can see sometimes on LinkedIn, you will get a job. At the bottom, you will find the option, your profile matches this job. This means that this is actually a pretty good job for me according to my profile. So that is why building a profile is really important. So you can see right here, this is paying $20 per hour, part-time internship. This is actually a pretty impressive job, what I was looking for. And I can now apply for it. Click on these three dots and you can also send a feedback or report this job. So this is a job right here. What I like to do is you can actually scroll down a little bit, and sometimes they also give information about the client and about the company. You can open up the company and then you'll be able to actually find different employees that are working here. And you'll also find the boss that is actually hiring. And you can contact them, you can add them as a connection and get the job. Talk to them directly. That is why LinkedIn is a really good platform to find a job and to get a job instead of other options that are available. Because with LinkedIn, we also have a built-in social media that actually allows us to contact with people. So this is how you will find a job. Let me give you another quick example. Let's say you are an editor. So you're going to click on editor right here, and then you're going to select the city or the country. After that, you can customize your search from here and you will get the jobs. These are all of the jobs that you can actually apply for. You can see this one has easy apply. Click on easy apply and this will allow you to apply from within LinkedIn. You don't need to open up a website. So this is actually pretty easy to apply for. On LinkedIn, you can see we have 60,000 plus results for the editor job in United States. That's how big LinkedIn is, and with every job, there are thousands of different opportunities available here. So go ahead and sign up for LinkedIn right now. Finding a job is really easy. When it comes to getting a job on LinkedIn and finding the right job, make sure to be updated and also active on LinkedIn. This is also really important because you will be getting different DMs from different people and you will be able to then communicate with them better. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you and now you know how to find a job using LinkedIn. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.